Yeah, man, I mean, I say big and bad, straight. I mean, I say, yo, happy Mother's Day to all of the mother them in Jamaica and around the world. I mean, I say, give thanks to every good mother will look out for them picnic and take care of them picnic. Big up all my mother them. We work hard and mind them picnic, me don't know, papa. You saw me, I say, straight. I the one done, I say, happy Mother's Day to every mother in Jamaica and the world. And God make us special because without a woman, no man couldn't born, no woman couldn't born. So me, I say, straight. Big up all my mother them and happy Mother's Day in an honorable way. Yes, mothers.